Welcome to part 5 of the EdTech Mentorship Network's tutorials with Explain Everything. I'm Victoria Olson, and I'll be leading you through this last tutorial where we explore how to bring other applications into Explain Everything to help us do work. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be pulling some photos in from other applications. Now, a lot of applications on the iPad allow us to save things as photos. So here you're going to see some arrays that my students have made in an app called Color Tiles by Hands On Math. Now, Hands On Math has a myriad of applications where kids can do open-ended problems and take screenshots of those, and then we can import them and explain everything. Alternatively, other applications like Pic Collage allow you to do this, but they don't have the same functionality with recording. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pull this picture in, but I'm actually going to crop it so that I can just select the piece that I want to select. So I'm just going to select the square there, and I can change this with the little circles by moving and moving this around. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to put it into my file. Now, as we've kind of played around with, anything that we import becomes an object. So it's manipulative, I can pinch and zoom, I can put it where I want it. However, I don't want this to move anymore, so I'm going to lock it in place. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to click the inspector tool, I'm going to click on the element I would like to lock, so that picture, and then I'm going to click on the lock button, and then lock. Now what's going to happen is now when I try to move this image, you can actually move it around, which is great. From here, I can start to explain this array by using the pen tool. So I'm just going to choose the pen tool with a little bit of wider tip so it's easy to see. And in this case, the student decided to use an array of 36. So they would start recording. As you can see, I've pressed that record button down there. And then they would start to explain the array. 36 divided into one group equals 36 blocks. Then they would stop recording. You'll see that the recording time is now stopped there, and now I can go grab another picture. So when I go to grab another picture, same process, existing photo, and this time I'm going to click another one. As you can see, the student divided this array up in a different way. Once again, I'm going to press crop, select the portion of the image that I would like to include, and then I'm going to bring that in, resize. I'm going to lock that in place. Start recording, maybe this time with another color. This time I took my array of 36 and I divided it into 6 colors. Each of the groups then had 6 different blocks within it. And that's a short, quick, and easy way for students to explain in 30 seconds how to divide arrays using another application and bringing in photos to explain everything. Thank you for tuning in to this month's EdTech Mentorship Network tutorials on Explain Everything. Check us out next month to see what apps we'll be covering for use in education.